How do you compile code in Microsoft Visual Studio? So after creating your project in the studio, all you need to do is right click on your project here and then choose build, or you can choose clean and then build again to clean the previous files and do a rebuild, or you can just click rebuild directly. And this build should basically compile your CPP or CS files depending on which language you're using, and output an executable or a script depending on your configuration, whether it's debug or release. You can also press the run button at the top here, or the console button, or your project name, which does run with the debugger, and this one builds and runs directly without the debugger. And the difference between build, rebuild, and clean is build is the fastest option because it only compiles what changed or the changed files. And the rebuild deletes everything and compiles from scratch, which might take a lot of time. And this clean option will basically clean or delete compiled files. And from this drop down here, you can configure your configuration for building and running this program, whether it's debug, which is slower and includes debug info, or release for optimized build for release. And you can also choose the platform target, whether it's 64 or 86. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.